How did Barack Obama respond to the controversial viral? In 2023, a video featuring an ape went viral, sparking controversy due to its insensitive and offensive context. The clip quickly spread across social media, provoking strong public reactions and discussions about racism and animal rights. The video became a symbol of cultural misunderstanding and ignited debates on ethical content sharing. Barack Obama responded to the viral ape video with a measured and thoughtful statement. Rather than fueling anger or division, he called for empathy and understanding. Obama emphasized the importance of confronting prejudice with education and dialogue. His response steered the conversation toward healing and awareness rather than outrage. In his response, Obama reminded viewers that viral content can influence societal attitudes, for better or worse. He encouraged creators and consumers alike to consider the impact of what they share. By promoting kindness and respect, Obama urged everyone to combat harmful stereotypes and foster a more inclusive culture. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.